Checking game status and using Twitter. In this tutorial, what we will do is find out how to check if a game has been cancelled or not, and to add some more featurality, figure out how to use Twitter. Now, if you don't want to use Twitter, that's fine. You can check the website similar to how it was done last year, but we have to click on a button this year which says game status. Now, if the game status hasn't been updated, you will have to press the refresh button until it has been said that it is cancelled or not. If nothing is put up, then assume the game is on. Now, some of us may have phones such as iPhones or Blackberries in which free Twitter applications can be used, and you can have this information now sent directly to you. So if you want to set up a Twitter account, go to www.twitter.com. You're going to put your name in. I've made it up here. You're going to create a username, and Twitter will find out if it's been used or not. You'll have to type in a password, and you will have to associate it with an email. For this purpose, I created a dummy Hotmail account to make the video. Twitter will tell you if your password is good or not. That is for security reasons. We will not, at Birchmount Baseball, send out a list of who's actually on Twitter, so the information is safe. Then you're going to have to press the I agree button and go through the security steps. It'll give you some words to make sure that there's an actual human being behind this and not a automated bot from the web. And then when you sign in, it's asking you to find different people to follow, and I'll give you a list of suggestions, usually celebrities. We're going to skip these steps and go right on to the last step. There might be some security boxes that come up, and that's okay. Just click OK and Next. When we finally get to the end of the steps, it'll ask if you want to look for someone specific, and you will type in BBL_web. So that's BBL_web and hit submit, and you will find Birchmount Baseball, and you are going to click on follow. What this means is you want to follow Birchmount Baseball in Twitter, and any updates that are created by the webmaster for the game statuses will not only show up on the website, but now that you're following here, you can log into Twitter online if you wish and see all the different tweets that we've done. Those were all temporary ones. Now, if you log back out and you were coming back to Twitter at a later time, you would type in your username and your password that you just created. So this is how it would look like the first time you're doing it, or the first time you're coming to Twitter after creating your web profile. Now what I've done is I've gone and I've created another update. So this is a test for the web. So you can see that there. I did that on my own. I didn't show it to you. And now when you come back in and you've logged in on Twitter, you can see that it's now listed in the Twitter feeds. If you have a smartphone, you can use different applications to have the information from Twitter brought directly to your phone without actually having to check it. So you can go to the web, and iPhone or Blackberry are covered. Just go to Google and type in Twitter applications. If you're using an iPhone, use iTunes to get the application. For example, I use Twitterrific. I downloaded that through iTunes, and that's how I send the updates to the web. If you are a BlackBerry user, there's a different procedure. I don't use a BlackBerry myself, but it's just like downloading any other app for your BlackBerry. Just make sure you pick a free one, and away you go. Of course, you don't have to do this. You can just check the status on the website, but this way the information is brought to you instead of you searching for it.